Hey guys, Dustin Cronkite here with Ed Martin Toyota. Just wanted to go over a cool build that we just did. It is the Toyota Tacoma TRD Lift. This lift is going to give you 2 inches of travel increase on the front with 1 inch in the rear. The kit does come complete with all new coilovers for your front, all new shocks for the rear. It's also going to come complete with the heritage inspired grille, which is a really cool option because this will actually give you a couple different variances you could do. As you can see, the customer here opted to have a goldish bronze letter. These will come in a gray, but you could actually have these Cerakoted to any color of your choice, which we have available here in-house. It's going to come with your camera relocation if your vehicle came equipped with a camera. It's going to be on limiteds, TRD Sports, it'll be your panoramic view monitor. If it's an off-road like this or a pro, it's going to be a multi-terrain monitor. But of course, it is equipped for you to relocate that camera. If you don't have a camera, it's just going to be a dummy, so don't worry about that. And of course, you do have the multi-millimeter wave radar, all relocated as well. Of course, this is done in-house at Ed Martin Toyota, so you will have your TSS recalibrated at the finish of this. So if you'd like to contact, please email to the email address in the link and reach out to us. We look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.